Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to change your Discord password easily and safely. You should change your password if you think someone else knows it, or if you have been using the same password for a long time. It helps keep your account secure. First, open Discord and log into your account. Now click on the small gear icon called User Settings, next to your username at the bottom. In the My Account section, you will see your email, username, and password options. Click on Change Password. A small box will appear. First, type your Yawn current password. Then type your bought new password and confirm it by typing it again. Make sure your new password is strong, with letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using your name or date of birth. After typing everything, click Done or Save. Your Discord password is now changed, and you will use the new one next time you log in. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Discord tutorials.